Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard bun. First, let's create the delicious custard filling. Begin by gently heating 1½ cups of milk, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 cup of sugar in a saucepan until it simmers. In a separate bowl, whisk 5 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch until smooth. Gradually add some hot milk to the egg mixture to temper it. Then combine everything and cook for about 3 minutes until thickened. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of butter and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, then chill for at least 2 hours. Next, we'll prepare the soft and fluffy bun dough. Start by activating 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast with 1 teaspoon of sugar in 1/4 cup of warm water. Let it foam for 10 minutes. In a large bowl, combine 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, 1/2 cup of sugar, the yeast mixture, and 1 cup of warm milk. Knead this mixture for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, incorporating 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then, cover the dough and let it rise in a warm spot for 1½ hours until it doubles in size. Now it's time to bring the dough and custard together. Gently punch down your risen dough and divide it into 12 equal portions. Roll each portion into a circle, about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Take 1 generous tablespoon of your chilled custard filling and place it right in the center of each dough round. Carefully gather the edges of the dough, pleating and twisting them to create a secure seal. Finally, place each beautifully shaped bun, seam side down, onto a small piece of parchment paper. The final step is steaming your delicious custard buns. Arrange the assembled buns in a steamer basket, making sure to leave at least 2 inches of space between each one, as they will expand. Add about 1 inch of water to a pot, ensuring it doesn't touch the steamer basket, and bring it to a rolling boil. Place the steamer basket over the boiling water, cover, and steam on medium-high heat for 5 to 6 minutes without peaking. Turn off the heat. Wait 5 minutes before opening the lid. Then carefully remove and enjoy your perfectly steamed custard buns.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.